Hey everyone, Sandy here. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update as to what is going on with me and my channel here. I'm going to be taking at least a couple weeks off of doing YouTube videos. I keep myself on a pretty strict schedule. I have for the past couple of years, and I make a video every week for this YouTube channel. I make 2 videos every month for my patrons, and I make at least 2 tutorials every month for other venues. And frankly, the pace has gotten to be rather grueling, and I'm finding I just can't sustain it. Creating is no longer as fun as it once was. Just to give you some perspective, a project that you could maybe put together in an hour or so will likely take me 10 to 20 hours to plan, record, edit, upload, and write all the materials accompanying it. Here's an example. The nice folks at Let's Resin have sent me all kinds of cool things to play with, like this kit that makes these pieces that I have been dying to try, where you combine resin with wood. So they even include the wood pieces and the plastic to build the forms. But this is not a quick project. It's something that requires quite a bit of work. And I've just been like powering through these videos, and one of these takes more time. I've got these really cool succulent molds that I want to play and experiment with, but playing and experimenting takes time, and it takes your creative mind being free and not being worried about how long it's going to take so I can pump out another video. So I am going to take some time to catch up on some of my neglected personal projects, maybe do a little gardening, spend some time in the sun. You know, I love creating and I love teaching and I love sharing these videos with you. So I'm going to take some time off. I may change my schedule. I'm thinking of doing just a single YouTube video every other week. We'll see. I'm not sure about that. But I'll see you again sometime in June, and I'm sure by then I will be recharged and excited to share new projects with you. In the meantime, I have a back catalog of over 600 YouTube videos, and there are more videos in my Etsy shop. So I hope that you will enjoy those tutorials and enjoy the nice weather and your summer. Thank you so much for watching and for understanding. I'll see you sometime in June.